On 17 September 2021, Bengal government officials visited Gangadhar Pramanik's house in Radhanagar to confirm his citizenship as an Indian. After spending over 3 years in Assam's Gwalpara detention camp. How did Gangadhar end up in the Gwalpara detention camp?
অসমের যে 6টি অস্থায়ী ডিটেনশন ক্যাম্প রয়েছে সেখানে মাঝে মধ্যে গিয়ে ভিজিট করি। আমরা তখন জানতে পারি যে ভিন্ন রাজ্যেরও অর্থাৎ অসম ছেড়েও ভিন্ন রাজ্যের আবাসিক গোয়ালপাড়া ডিটেনশন ক্যাম্পে আবদ্ধ রয়েছে। একজন হচ্ছে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের বাঁকুড়া জেলার গঙ্গাধর প্রামাণিক।
4 years ago, Gangadhar left his home in Radhanagar to find work. He took a train to Guwahati. After reaching Guwahati, Gangadhar had no money, no shelter, and no familiar faces to seek help. He worked in restaurants earning as little as 40 rupees a day. But he kept on working in order to save enough and send money back home. But one day, he was suddenly taken away by the border police. He was a foreigner in Assam and suspected to be a Bangladeshi.
হঠাৎ কোনো এক অজ্ঞাত কারণে গঙ্গাধরের কাছে পুলিশ আসে। হয়তো তার আগে তাকে ট্রাইব্যুনাল থেকে নোটিশও পাঠিয়েছিল, কিন্তু গঙ্গাধর তা জানতে পারেনি এবং তাকে একপক্ষীয়ভাবে বিদেশি ঘোষণা করে ট্রাইব্যুনাল থেকে গোয়ালপাড়া ডিটেনশন ক্যাম্পে আবদ্ধ করে।
He was unable to contact anyone from his family who were thousands of kilometers away. Gangadhar accepted his fate inside the camp, seeing no way out. When we found out about Gangadhar in July 2021, we faced an unprecedented challenge in helping him get bail, as he did not have an address or family in Assam. We traced his mother Bharti to his sister Champa's house. By then, his father had passed away and his family had given up hope to see him again. After going through multiple bailers, we sorted out the official paperwork to get him home. We also had to give written undertakings since he did not have a permanent address in Assam.
ডিসিপি বর্ডার কামরূপ জামিন মঞ্জুর করতে চাইছিলেন না। তারা বলছিলেন যেহেতু তার স্থায়ী ঠিকানা বাঁকুড়া জেলার বিষ্ণুপুর থানা এবং সেটা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে, তাহলে তার হাজিরাটা কিভাবে হবে। তখন আমরা যুক্তিতর্ক পেশ করি যে যেহেতু এটা সুপ্রিম কোর্টের অর্ডার, তো যে কোনো রাজ্যের পুলিশই মানবে।
Finally, on September 14th, 2021, we got him out. Gangadhar was now on his way home. During the train journey, Gangadhar told us that this is the first time he has eaten dinner after dark in more than 3 years. In the detention camp, inmates are given dinner before 4 p.m. and no other food is served after that.
এমন ধরনের ঘটনা আগে ঘটেনি যে একজন অসমের গোয়ালপাড়া ডিটেনশন ক্যাম্পে আবদ্ধ থাকা সেই সুদূর পশ্চিমবঙ্গের বাঁকুড়া জেলার রাধানগরের মতো একটি প্রান্তিক অঞ্চলে তাকে আমাদের নিয়ে যেতে হবে।
On September 15th, we reached Gangadhar's hometown, with the entire village coming out to greet the son they thought they had lost. Even though he received the heartbreaking news of his father's death, Gangadhar is now reunited with his mother. And finally, on September 21st, the Bengal government confirmed his citizenship as an Indian.
The case of Gangadhar raises once again the utter unaccountability with which the process is unleashed on ordinary working Indians. Behind bars for 4 years in Assam's dreaded detention camps, and his family has no idea where he is. Is this the way a police should be functioning in a democracy?
CJP has been working on the ground in Assam since 2017 to help our fellow Indians navigate the complex citizenship crisis. Such work is possible because of you, who believe in this work. Help us reach more people like Gangadhar, who are wrongfully fighting the extremely difficult battle of identity, of being a foreigner in their own country.